Yep, told you more packs coming in. I don't know if this is the final version like Ratchet say, but Air Jordan 12 OVO, size 10, white metallic gold white. Congratulations being the owner of Air Jordan 12, Jordan OVO. Another little Nike receipt. You know, I gotta undo the bubble wrap before it. Doing the one-hand video kind of tough. No stamp, no sticker. This is in the bottom of the box. With the 23 paper. Yeah, I think this is the final version because it's at that like off-white color. Tumbled leather. Got that owl in there, OVO owl. They've been killing with these 12s lately. More packs coming. Shout out to everybody in the community. OVO on the bottom. Got the tape on there. This came out, they sent it out Monday, got here Friday, so 4 days DHL. You know, I like to pick dope kicks. We out.